Odessa.
Same bed, but it feels just a little bit bigger now, yeah. Our song on the radio, but it don't sound the same. When our friends talk about you, all it does is just tell me down. Cause my heart breaks a little when I hear your name, yeah. It all just sounds like, yeah. And too young, too dumb to realize that I should have bought you flowers, yeah. And I held your hand. I should have given you all my words when I had those hands, yeah. And I take it every part is on your body to push the ladies. Now my baby's dancing, but she's dancing with another man. Although it hurts, I'll be the first to say that I was wrong, yeah. And I know how much today to try and apologize for all you say, but I just want you to know, I hope he buys you flowers, yeah. Hope he holds your hand and gives you all his hours, yeah. When he has the chance, yeah. And he takes you every party, cause I remember how much you love to dance, yeah. I do all the things I should have done, yeah. When I was a man, I said do all the things I should have done, when I was a man, when I was a man.
Alright, thank you, Paul, Francis, Jarvis, Mika, Sophia, Ella, and with the J-Star Dancers. Put a big hand, ladies and gentlemen. And of course, i-welcome naman natin bilang kapamilya natin sa Star Magic, Sir Paulo Vanessa.
Hello. Ito. Ayun, nagpapasalamat ako sa Star Magic, sa ASAP na dito na ako ngayon. Maraming salamat po. Ito, album ko, sana grab a copy of this album, Popco Standards, love songs, may dalawang original songs, at mag-enjoy kayo, sigurado.
Relaxing ng boses na.
Oo. Grabe, ilang tracks yun nandito?
10 songs. Ay, mag-download nyo pala sa iTunes and sa spinner.ph. Pwede nyo i-download yung songs ko. And yun, tuloy-tuloy yung suporta. Salamat po. Salamat.
Yes, pero ka pa bang kailangan pasalamatan, Paolo? Okay na?
May duet siya dito with Clarice, di ba?
May duet ako with the diva, Clarice de Guzman. At enjoy yung pag-record namin. At abangan nyo pala ako mamaya. Nasa Lucky Chinatown Mall ako. I-promote ko, album launch ko. So sana kita-kits tayo doon 5 p.m.
March 1, you'll be in SM Marikina. March 23, SM Bacoor. Ayan, abangan niyo po si Paolo.
Yes, please grab a copy po ng kanyang album. At ang Asam 19 will be right back.